we still have work to do on the thumbnail template, but the problem is I still don't have a face on my channel, so we must remedy that. Okay, let's move to this workspace. So here we are at the moment. I took this picture that I've generated with ChatGPT that doesn't look like me, but I kept the cyborg part because the concept of this profile pic is like I'm using super old technology to communicate with AI, and that's it, because the channel is how not to be obsolete. So I thought it was yeah, that's my idea. I won't discuss it much further whether you like the concept or not. Right now it's about the execution. So now I've selected the photos, I've named them with the emotion they represent. Yeah, the preview, it must be calculated, so I topazed them, I batch background removed. So the new profile pic is obviously the mix with the one I showed you and the one called profile pic. Yeah, it's there. Okay, so I did remove these parts. I used generative fill to reconstruct the shoulder, and yeah, there's a little more action to do, so we'll do that. Once this is finished, we will make the thumbnail with the joy face, because finally we have a face. Yoo-hoo! Sorry. Okay, so the grading, because let's face it, at the moment it's really catastrophic. So less saturation. Okay, I think we need to do the opposite. I need the background much more dark and my face to pop out a little more. Except for the fact that I did this for the background. Let's keep only the face so that we can grade it separately from the background. I think there's a little gradient to focus the attention on this part where the phone and will happen. Oh, I think the new gradient tool is, maybe I don't need to build a new layer. Yeah, I don't know if I needed to build a layer or not, but it did make the thing. Now I think I can make the face a little more exposed. Once again, that's too much, but I think this is the correct way. Sorry, quick break. Oh, let's just test something. Little placeholder for our weight screen. I will go back to full cam because since I'm going to work in OBS, I don't want you to have the tunnel effect, but maybe you want it. I don't know. All right, so new source, image. Be right back. So we'll apply camera raw to this one as well. The problem is that the lighting is so much different between the two pictures that you can really tell, but yeah, I suppose I could do some painting, but this is not really something I'm very good at. Let's do some more grading and then we'll do some painting. I think we still need a little more magenta and maybe dial down the saturation a little bit, add texture. Yeah, just a little spark of grain. Yeah, I'm okay with that change. So let's think, what should the light look like? I think this part is supposed to be in the shadow. This part is supposed to get some light, and this part should get some light too. Maybe here some lights too. So we will raise it and then, okay, what's the name? The patch tool. Nah. Okay, maybe the AI can do it better than I can. Remove the reflections. The AI can do it. Indeed. I lost the grain, but okay. So we will try to AI it a lot. Rework reflections and make it look like they are coming from the left of the frame. I forgot to press the button. Rework reflections. Make it look like the light is coming from the left of the frame. Not that good. Okay, so this one I will have to do by hand, I think. Okay, I will just remove reflection. Remove reflections. There's an issue with this request. I really don't understand why, but oops. It was perfectly okay the first time, and now it's not okay. I don't get it. Let's try it again. Remove reflections. Yes. So let's dial in some grain because it's really flat, and okay, that's good. So now we have a clean font to work with and we can paint some light to make it look better. Okay, this doesn't look good at all. What am I doing wrong? Maybe I'm too shy about the opacity. Let's see. Okay, I think I should use a way smaller brush and dial it full and then maybe tweak the opacity afterwards. Maybe invent something like that, some leak like that too. Let's see, maybe I shouldn't paint in white. Let's see if I do that. I think it's pretty obvious that you can tell I don't exactly know what I'm doing, but I'm trying my best. Okay, oops. Oh no, save. Yes, you know what? Let's try the AI. Hey, where is the little toolbar? I don't remember texture bar. Okay, so you're gone, but where are you? No, it's still gone. Is it because I have something selected? Oh yeah, that's weird. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's not. Okay, so on the top of the phone, I think it's nice, but I don't like the look of it on the arm, so let's just skip this part and do another layer for the arm and maybe change the it was vivid light, so this time maybe just overlay. Okay, that's not great, but that's a little better than before. Maybe I forget about this, or maybe I can just move it a little bit further away. Yeah, okay, I don't want to I think the expression is pixel peeping or something like that for more than I need. So let's go with that and try to integrate this a little more. So my face feels blurry compared to the hands and to the, so maybe I will dial in some more of those things. Yes, that's better. Yeah, I think the framing is correct. The picture is a bit, it's very contrasty, but from what we saw yesterday, a lot of pictures are like dialed in super violently. I guess that's for standing out. Maybe I will leave it that way. Anyway, I think if I do minor tweaks to the profile picture, it's not a big deal if people still recognize you. So if I change my mind, maybe I can go back later on that. I think the background should be dimmer, except that's not supposed to be black. So can we find, okay, that's not the way to go. It matches the tone of my face a little better. Yeah, that's much better. I think I can go with that. In super small, it's not really that easy to tell what's going on, but at least when it's big, oh, now we can toy a little bit with the new actions. I don't think you say toy a little bit. I meant to say we can play a little bit, but hey, so let's see. So in the video where I learned about this stuff, the one that was always used, make it pop. Okay, so it just does nothing. Nice. Ah, there it was. Make it pop. Okay, so no, that's not. There are previews. We can add some retro vibes to this mix. All right. This is ridiculous. Make it look like VHS footage. Oh, you did it? I'm super green. Okay, we already did that. Okay, I will stop messing with that. It's not really interesting. We can move it away from the magentas and the red. Okay, let's go with that. We'll see another time for the banner. Whew, we have a face. Awesome. Or don't we? I don't know anymore. Did I have to save something? Publish. Yeah, I forgot to click publish. I have a face. Okay, I shouldn't be that happy, but took me quite some time to get there. Now, once this is done, we will use the joy picture for the thumbnail of this episode. That easy to use, but we can make it work. We can make it work. We will make it work the easy and dirty way. Oh, his face! Oh, what? I know that's not correct English. I don't care. I know, it's weird, but this is the way it is. I want to stop the stream, so I won't be as exigent as I should be. Okay, this works for me. Just throw in some logos. Okay, this is a complete mess. Photoshop. No, not this one. Where is the first Photoshop? Pixel, Photoshop. Photoshop beta. There you are. There was some Photoshop beta and only Photoshop beta. All right. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little happy with this session because, yeah, it was pretty important. I just hope that tomorrow I will still like the profile pic I made, but we'll see that tomorrow. Okay, guys. So this will do it for this stream. I hope that it was not totally a waste of time for you. It was certainly fun for me, and I will catch you later.